Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and this is part 2 of 1188-5 Southwest Bull Mountain Road. We do have a second clean out in the yard, and as you can see, we're off of the back corner. That's the tall deck there, and probably about 60 feet, maybe about 50 feet off the corner is another clean out in the yard. Here we are. It is a 4-inch PVC pipe, same as what we were in before, roughly about 100 feet. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can continue with our inspection. We're going to zero off that counter again so we have an idea of how far we've gone in addition to the 100 feet that we inspected to get to this point. Now, we did inspect out to, I think, at about 160 feet or so. So that means we probably have about 60 feet that we've already seen. We're going to see that again, and then we'll go ahead and continue on and see if we can make it all the way to the city main. Still have water running, as you can see on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. That's the bottom of the pipe. So now we're entering a distance that we probably haven't seen yet. It looks like we may have another clean out here at 88 feet. Let's see how much further we can go with the cable that I have. I have about 200 feet on the reel that I use. Typically, excavators will actually, I think it's code that they need to clean out every 100 feet until they get to the city main. What do we have here? A little, looks like we have roots, or that's a snail in there. Might have some kind of a break in the line here at 111 feet. I'm trying to break that up with my camera. See if we can maybe locate that with our locator, although I can tell you this much, that portion of the line is under the neighbor's backyard. We might not be able to finish this inspection today without getting permission to access that third clean out, which appeared to be at 88 feet from the point we entered here. See how we're starting to struggle to advance the camera? That's because we're pushing at 183 feet, and we're basically trying to push a semi-rigid object. That's as far as we can go. So we have a third clean out that we need to find. Let's see if we can pause this video and find out where that is. Alright, so unfortunately I was not able to find this third clean out. My assumption is that it is on neighboring property, and which basically means that this inspection, this sewer scope inspection, is inconclusive, although the last 200 feet or so of the line looked pretty good. There's no way to guarantee the condition of the line beyond what I can see with the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video now. I'll recommend that that third cleanout be found, and that we can get permission from the neighbors to inspect. But that's all for this video here. Thank you very much.